Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you most likely are. If you are, hit subscribe, that would be awesome. I would love to get to know you. Before starting this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick thanks for 175 subscribers. It means the world to me and I'm glad to have you all here. Yeah, so this week's video is a little bit different. I haven't done anything like this before. I haven't done any try-on type of things before, and honestly editing it, I kind of hated it. I did not like looking at myself like that for that long, but I wanted to try something new, so here we are. The lighting is really bad when I'm trying stuff on, but it also kind of gives you a contrast between like direct sunlight and like shade, if that makes sense, which I thought was really helpful. But yeah, anyways, let me explain what we're doing today, if you couldn't read the title. So I wanted to show you guys my jean collection. It's very small compared to other ones that I've seen, but I mainly buy my jeans from American Eagle because I just find that they fit me the best. I know my size the best, and they're pretty high quality at a very low cost, especially right now since their entire site is 50% off. So now's a great time to buy jeans, and once you buy, I think 5 pairs, you get a pair for free. So I don't know, do what you will with that information, but it's taking me a lot not to go buy a bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna get on into it. The first category that we're gonna talk about is mom jeans, arguably the most comfortable jeans in the world. So the first pair that I have on is actually the pair that I'm wearing right now, and it's just these light wash blue mom jeans. They're actually not as high-waisted as some of the other ones that I have. They're very comfortable. They are the least like special out of the ones that I have. I find them very basic. I don't actually reach for them very often, just because there's really nothing exciting about them, and I find that they fit a little bit differently than the rest of the pairs that I have. The next pair that I have are the same pair but in this like stonewash black, and they are my absolute favorite. They fit so well. The rise is like perfect. I feel like this is the one pair that really flatters my figure the most. I find that mom jeans can be like hit or miss on my body, and I don't know why, but these ones are like my go-to, my holy grail. The next pair are even more high-waisted, and they're actually in the long length so that I could wear them more year-round and not have my ankles exposed. But they have distressed knees and a distressed hem. I think they're really cool. They're really comfortable. The denim on this is actually a lot softer than the rest of them. These ones are actually probably the most like flexible out of all of them, if that makes sense, and the jean is not as stiff. So the next pair is super out of focus, so I'm really sorry about that, but it's just the same light wash as the first pair, with distressing at the knees, which I really like. These are ones that I literally wore every day over the summer. Those are all my mom jeans. The next category is skinny jeans, which is the last category. I'm one of those people who in 2020 still wear skinny jeans. I know there's a lot of shade thrown at us, but I really like my skinny jeans, okay? The first pair that I have are these dark wash blue super high rise or highest rise jeggings. I love these. They're super comfortable. These ones are super durable. I think I've had these the longest and I've never had to replace them. The next pair is the same pair in black. I find that these ones I have to replace every like 6 months because either the thighs wear out really fast or the color just changes like so drastically. Typically with American Eagle, they will exchange it if there's like a defect, and I think that counts as a defect because I've gotten them replaced like for free a couple of times. The next pair are the same black jeans but with distressing at the knees. These ones are okay. I'm not in love with this pair because the knees tend to like get really saggy and then like close in on each other, so they look a little weird, but if you put them in the dryer like twice, you can usually get a little bit more wear out of them on the same wash. I'm still trying to figure out how to keep those knees open instead of like collapsing it on each other. And then the last pair are these cropped super high rise distressed black jeans. I wore these also throughout like all of September. I showed them in my back to school haul, which I'll have linked up here. They're pretty awesome. They're really comfortable. They're not tight at the holes, so it doesn't look like your skin is like bulging out, which is really unattractive to think of. They're really stretchy. They're really comfortable. I've worn them through lectures. I've worn them in the summer. I've worn them in like the fall, so they're a great transitional piece, and they're great for going out. I typically wear these when I go to like a club or to the bar or somewhere where I want to look a little bit more put together, and I don't know what it is about distressed skinny jeans, but I don't know, it makes me feel more put together. I don't know, it doesn't make sense. That is all for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to make a little disclaimer. This isn't sponsored by American Eagle in any way, shape, or form. I just really like their stuff. All of these are in the stretch, like all the mom jeans are in the stretch denim, and then all of the like skinny jeans were the jegging denim. Personally, I think they're great. I do alternate between a 14 regular and a 14 long. Sometimes the 14 long is like all the way to the floor, but sometimes it's like perfect, and then sometimes the regular is like super cropped, and sometimes it's not. I find their size guide a little off, so if this helps in any way, that's great. I hope that you get yourself a right pair of jeans. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any other stuff you want to see, because I have an amplitude of time to do stuff now. It would be awesome if you could subscribe. I would love that. I would love to have you. I would love to get to know you. All my socials are linked below, so if you want to talk, because quarantine is kind of lonely, hit me up. Yeah, I guess that's all. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you guys in my next video.